What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here in Newark, New Jersey on Central Avenue and 9th Street. We're about to walk down, go check out a restaurant. It was actually not this restaurant, but one of our patrons, Sister Sylvia, has suggested that we change up on our foods. So that's why we're going to this restaurant. I'll let you guys see the name of it when we get there. I forgot to say, also, we're here to meet up with my friend. You guys have met them before. You'll see them when they pull up, or you'll see them when they get out their car. I don't know if they're here yet. I was supposed to meet here in like 10 minutes. So let's go check it out, man. Let's see what's going on, what restaurant we're gonna check out. All right, y'all, here he comes, y'all. I'm not gonna blast him out. He's 10 minutes late, 10 minutes late. I'm not even gonna mention no negative stuff. He's 10 minutes late. And I don't really know what's going on. Got me waiting 10 whole minutes cause he a superstar. You know, superstar got me waiting 10 minutes late. What's going on, man? We about to go in here, man.
I coined the phrase, well, I will help coin the phrase, Electric Avenue. So right now we on Electric Avenue. We got Aquafit here. We got Blueberry Cafe. We got Zucchini Bar. We got Magic Cones. Magic Cones, this is all plant-based vegan cafes. And you know, one of the beautiful things about Electric Ave is that not only are they plant-based and, as some of us say, vegan, they follow the Afro-Biomineral balance. Now, the Afro-Biomineral balance is Dr. Sebi's philosophy, because what we're doing and what we're healing our bodies on a cellular level. Then we got my man Janice right here, Blueberry Cafe. My man Matt, how you doing? Yeah. He gonna record it. We gonna polish his shoes up a little bit today. So yeah, so we gonna have a little something to eat, and we gonna talk about how fabulous it is in here.
All right, y'all, that was $56.
Yeah.
For both tunas and 2 smoothies.
Yeah, absolutely. Always tell people, I say, man, you want to be electric, you got to pay that electric bill. You know, it's like either pay now or pay later. And it's an investment. This ain't no chemicals in here. You know, this is natural. You know, we going back to our natural state.
Here we go, man. It's the, I got the tuna. And they didn't spell it T-U-N-A.
T-O-O-N-A.
Was it T-O-O or T? Look at this sandwich, man. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that right there. Uh-oh, bell pepper fell off.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh, I'm dropping letters, man. Y'all know I got the dropsies all the time. First, I want to bite into the tuna, y'all. I can just get the whole sandwich, get the whole experience, but I'm going to bite right into the tuna. Interesting.
It's light. That's why I add cayenne to mine. I like a little cayenne on mine.
Oh,
okay.
Tuna sandwich almost flew off the table. Y'all know that would have went viral. But we ain't with it. It's windy, y'all.
We good.
It's a good day for sailing.
We good.
Stuff blowing behind us. Y'all hear it? This is delicious. You know, that tuna is creamy. I definitely got to write the ingredients to this down here somewhere. It is very light. And I see the greens in there, man. I definitely see some arugula in there. Got red onions on that tuna. It's delicious, y'all, and I'm dropping. I don't want to drop, especially the tuna piece.
You ain't blend that up too much. I can't get it through the straw.
He said the smoothie's kind of thick.
It's a little thick.
Tobias got me on the cayenne pepper. Y'all know he ain't said nothing but a word, man.
Yeah, I'm fired.
It's windy out here. I want to make sure that don't fly in our eyes. Cause that's like that pepper spray.
Yep, and that's what it is. We want to eat light. We want to keep it light. That's how we want to do. We want to stay in that space.
I just dropped about $4 worth on the ground, y'all. I want to pick it up so bad, but y'all know I ain't going out like that. At least not on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'm gonna go into the soup. It's a pretty hot day out here, so Tobias said this was kind of thick, so I'm gonna let it melt a little bit, and it's been melting. Oh, wow. This tastes sweet, creamy, and earthy. This is all plant-based. It's delicious once again, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and suggest, if you're vegan or not, check out the Blueberry Cafe. I'm gonna give y'all the address. We're gonna put the address up right there. But it's like 547, 549 maybe. Oh, it's all 547. Okay, all 3 of the spots here in a row is 547 Central Avenue, Newark, or Newark, New Jersey.
We call this Electric Ave. The owner, Machina, she's a dope individual, dope spirit. You know, her family works in here. Everyone, her husband, owns the Aquafit, man, it's just like a community, family-oriented base. And it's a beautiful thing, man. And that's how it should be. Got the magic cones right here. Talking about plant-based desserts and stuff, coconut-based ice cream. I mean, when you have that, you're gonna be like, oh man, this is the hit.
Oh, we're going over here next, y'all. We're gonna try the dessert spot.
I think they open.
That's too much in one day.
Sister said it's too much in one day. I know, I wasn't even thinking, oh, that watermelon, she got a watermelon, y'all.
Yeah, that's right. It's the season.
I taste some spices now from that cayenne, man, and the vegan tuna.
I ate mine, it's gone.
All of yours gone?
Yeah.
It's delicious, man. That taste is delicious.
It's light.
Chickpeas.
And nothing had to die. I don't know what's in there. Hey, King, what they call the spice that gives you the fish taste in the tuna? Not the nori flakes, but it's something else. Is
it quinoa in here too? Quinoa. Dulce flakes are in the tuna? Because I'm seeing that, like, beat it. I don't know if y'all ever had quinoa. I like quinoa. It's really good, and they say it's healthy for you. I didn't have any of the soup yet. I got my sandwich covered up. Tobias keep eyeing it. I see him keep looking over.
I think there's cactus.
Cactus. That's why it's green. Got lettuce on here too, y'all. We got that one.
That's $8.
Look, that's a golden nugget, man. That's a golden healthy nugget right there. And I forget what subscriber it is that always laugh when I drop stuff and say I drop stuff every episode. So if there's an episode where I don't drop something, I'm gonna have to drop something just to make everything normal. Look how he keep looking at my sandwich. He keep looking at my sandwich, y'all. What is going on?
Why is he playing with it? Get into it.
It's good, man. When you say vegan food, some people are gonna be like, vegan food's too high, but you hear that processor going, the juicer going on in there. When you start buying fruits and vegetables, they are not cheap, you know? I'm talking about wholesale. They're not inexpensive. I totally understand the price.
I like to just say pay now or pay later in pharmacy prices.
Wow. Y'all heard that? Either pay now or pay at the pharmacy. This is your man, Matt DV.
Yep.
With my homie Tobias Truvillion, y'all. Actor superstar, he's the director. He has his own acting workshops, man.
Yep, every Monday.
We gotta get the information, put that up right there too.
Yeah.
And
True Talent Workshop. True Talent with no E, TRU Talent Workshop on your Facebook group, or you can find me on Instagram at Tobias Truvillion. But come on out, get coached. You want to be a working actor, then you need to learn from a working actor.
Sounds good to me. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people, but you hang with the right cats now. We love y'all, man. Y'all have a beautiful day. And we'll either see you later or see you next door at the sweet spot. Hold on, what's the nickname of the area?
This is Electric Ave.
Electric Ave, y'all. We're gonna hang out on Electric Ave just a little bit more, see what we can get. The sandwich on the scale of 1 to 10, it gets a 9.5 from me, man. Okay. The soup, I'm gonna give the soup because, you know, the soup is tasty. I didn't go like, that soup is the bomb. It tastes delicious though.
This one's a little earthy.
So I'm gonna go ahead and give the soup a 6. Okay. What would you give the soup?
I'm gonna give the soup, because I know what it is, I'm gonna give the soup an 8.
Okay.
I love, you know, I'm aiming to fuel my body. Like that's my goal. I'm not chasing the pleasure, you know, as much as I'm trying to fuel my body. Right. So when you think of it from that point of view, all this is off the Richter scale. All of it is off the Richter scale.
Yeah, I feel you.
So, you know, that's like my goal is to, you know, I'm eating to live versus living to eat.
What would you give this? The smoothie?
Oh man, I'm giving that a 9. I just wish I had more ice in it today.
Yo, you know what? He really hit it with that one. Because when it comes to like a smoothie, man, this is a healthy smoothie, man. I really want to give this a 10 because this is absolutely delicious. But I'm gonna take away from the 10 because I was thinking the same thing. I'm saving this only to get it home to put more ice in it. So let's see what the Zucchini Bar has. We're going to Aquafit, y'all.
Yeah.
Aquafit. This all is too healthy for me, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Look, first thing I noticed right away, right, is these watermelons in the window.
Yeah. So you got the seeded watermelons, which is amazing. Yeah, this is where it starts getting real.
Yo, look, man.
Lymphalin. You talking about? See, everyone's worried about detoxing the body, but what we always forget about is the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is so important. That's like the body's sewer system. You know, you gotta cleanse that lymphatic system, man. I got my man Zen. The man's name is Zen, so that tells you everything you need to know. Like we talking about, when your name is Zen, you just balance. You know, you have peace.
So I'm a holistic herbalist. You know, I work in the alkaline electric food space. Studied under Dr. Sebi's teachings, and been blessed and honored enough to meet several indigenous herbalists, including his son, Victor Bowman, who is the founder of this shop that we're in right now, African Biomineral. You know, continuing the legacy. That's what Dr. Sebi taught.
Yeah.
We have cellular predispositions.
That's right.
Okay, based off our genetic makeup, we can tap in and tune into the African biomineral balance, and that will realign our carbon, hydrogen, oxygen makeup, the CHO arrangement, to rebuild the body on an intracellular level. And that allows us to heal from pretty much everything.
Absolutely.
We have a bunch of rare indigenous herbs from different regions of the world, as well as alkaline electric foods, things that people have tougher time finding, from your star apple, Mexican Hayden mango, pear, you know, a Dominican avocado. Okay, but yeah, we're always adding more, and Victor Bowman himself is even here all the time, hooking people up with, you know, custom tonics, and blends. You know, he wants to see people heal, so you tell him what you're going through, he might just pull something out of the bag and say, here, try this, you know what I mean? So big shout outs to my bro, and you know, Sebi and the whole legacy, everybody working out there to help our people come up as a community, which is the most important thing to him and myself.
Absolutely. That's what it is.
Thank you.
That's what it is.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so look, y'all, look like we about to go in the Zucchini Bar.
Smell
Check
that.
That
Smell that. Good day,
smell
fellas.
like some cones,
Right.
man.
Yeah, you could get some alkaline treats. You could get some teas and things made. They even have vegan ice cream. But they also have a lunch menu. They have breakfast, zucchini, pancakes, scrambled eggs with fennel hash. You know, they got lasagna rolls today, mushroom lo mein, gyros, Brick City cheesecake. Ooh, that sounds like fun right there. That sounds like fun right there. Yeah. But this is another part of Electric Eye. That's my man King back there. King is the master.
Of it, man.
He is the man with the plan. Beautiful thing.
Nice.
Ooh, that's
Nice.
the
Got that
lobster roll, the
lasagna.
lasagna roll.
Lasagna rolls. All plant-based too,
Right,
right?
we're not using no chemicals, no dairy.
So that's the tour, man.
No excuses. Now you
Right,
can you can counterpoint, you can feel better, you can electrify your life, and you can feel the power, man.
Yo, that's our homie Tobias Truvillion, man. We want to give a big shout out for him. Traveling all the way from Harlem, Brooklyn, from Newark. You know, he's a Newark resident now. But man, look, once again, man, if nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. We love you, cats. Y'all have a beautiful day. See you at the next one. Peace.